Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by confirming Windows is updated. Features differ by version. Open Start and type Snipping Tool or Snip in Sketch, then press Enter. You do this because Search finds the app fast even if it's renamed. Once the app appears, right-click to pin it to Start or the taskbar for immediate reuse. Make sure to run as your user. If a permission prompt appears, accept it so the tool can capture the screen properly and access clipboard functions. You next pick the capture mode that matches your goal because each mode saves time for a specific task. Choose Rectangle for precise crops, Freeform for irregular shapes, Window to target an app, or Full Screen for entire displays. If you need menus or hover states, set a 1 to 5 second delay. This lets UI stabilize before capture. Once configured, use Windows plus Shift plus S as a shortcut to open the overlay instantly. After you capture, review the thumbnail. You finish by saving or sharing the image. Click Save to choose PNG or JPEG, or press Copy to paste into email or a document. Once done, annotate with the built-in pen and highlighter, then pin the app to the taskbar for quicker future access. If you can't find Snipping Tool, make sure optional features include it or run Windows Update. Alternatively, use the Windows plus Shift plus S shortcut, which still triggers the capture overlay on most systems. If that fails, reboot and check user permissions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.